unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Yes, it's possible to restore deleted contacts on your phone. If you've synced your contacts with your Google account, simply go to Google Contacts, contacts.google.com, navigate to More, and then click Undo Changes. You can restore your contact list to any state within the last 30 days. For iPhone users, if you've backed up your device to iCloud, you can restore your contacts by reverting your phone to a previous backup via the Settings app under General. Greater than, Reset. Greater than, Erase all content and settings. Then use Restore from iCloud Backup.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.